everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload another video. So it came to me in my sleep. Now I'm not saying I'm the originator of this look, but I didn't go and look and see if other people made this video on YouTube, so I'm just gonna organically do what's in my head. So I had this idea of a DIY headband wig, but with passion twist. So what I want to do is I'm gonna do a DIY top knot with passion twist and a headband wig style. I'm going to see how this hair hack works out. I had all the material already, so I'm just like, let me just turn on the camera and do what I want to do. I will hop back on when I'm finished, and then we'll put it on and see if it came out how I'm kind of hoping. So if you want to see how I create this little look and how you can also do this on your own at home, then keep watching. Okay, y'all, so first off, you're gonna need a hot glue gun. This is my mom's, I'm borrowing hers, but you're gonna need a hot glue gun, some glue sticks. This is the headband wig cap that I got this off of Amazon. This is the hair that I'm going to use. A company sent me this hair, so I'll tag them as well if you like the distressed lock look. So this is how their hair is looking, and this is how the tip is looking. This is like 6 or 7 packs of the hair, so each pack comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 strands of hair. Okay, y'all, so I have my mannequin head on. I have the headband wig cap on. This is how the back looks. So I don't know if I need to leave it not tight. Well, I guess it don't matter. This part don't matter. I don't think this is gonna affect the sizing of it. So yeah, they banging now, so I'm gonna just start muting these clips, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Okay, y'all, I am into the back of the hair now, and yeah, I'm getting really good with it. I'm actually doing bigger pieces with the glue, just kind of spreading the glue out and about like this, and I'm laying like 4 or 5 pieces of hair at once. But I got the whole front done, and I'm headed around to the back, so all I have is just this little perimeter here left. So yeah, we're almost finished, y'all, and I'm only like, what, about 10 minutes in, if that. Yeah, so we're getting it done. Very quick process, almost finished. Okay, hey y'all, I am finished now. The whole head is done. The middle is empty because we're doing a top knot only. I used 5 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used 5 packs of hair. I have a whole pack left. and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands out of another pack left. So what I ended up having to do more so in the front was, after I brought all the hair up into a ponytail, I just went back through to make sure I wasn't seeing pieces of the cap. And oh lord, wait, one of these come, it's the one I just did. I pulled it too early. It didn't even dry. So where I see like openings in the cap, more so in the front, I'm adding hair in between those braids that I laid. Add some more glue here, and then I'm gonna reattach this and just kind of hold it for a second. So along the front, wherever I saw that the cap was showing, is where I went back through and added some hair, and then I tried to tuck that little knot like underneath the existing braid that I put on the cap. So that the knot is not showing. Yeah. So I am finished. I'm done, y'all. So I'm going to put it on, and then I'll come back and we can put it up into a ponytail, and then we can play around with some headbands that I picked up. Okay, y'all, so I have it on. So this is how it's looking. Okay, so if this is your cup of tea, you can wear it like this, but I'm going to kind of try to wrap these into a little top knot. Okay, everybody, so this is just about it. You got your top knot, you got your headband. Now with the headbands, you know, you can always use your own, whatever type of style that you like. I just had these, and this was just a pack of 12. They're ribbed, like you know, like a ribbed tank top. They have like the ribbed lines in them. But yeah, I definitely will probably want to get like some solid, like a solid textured one. But plenty of different solid colors. And you know, you even get like, you know, like the kinds like when you order wigs and stuff and they send you the free headbands, you can always use these as well, to cover up the actual headband band, you know. But yeah, I just opted for the black because it's solid and it's, you know, just neat looking. But yeah, depending on your outfits and stuff, you definitely always have the option to swap out your actual headband. So this is how mine is looking right now. And yeah, the headband did come with combs that you can sew into the back of it. I didn't sew mine. Probably should have, but I didn't. But it's snug. I don't feel like it's gonna move anywhere. Yeah, but this is how it's looking. Back is looking like this. So if I had the comb, this little area right here where you see like this little lip at, more than likely probably wouldn't show, because the comb will be here and then it will be, I guess, probably pulled more down to the nape, like right here. But yeah, this is how it's looking. Ooh, y'all know what would be so cute too? Like, you know how, I don't know how to do it, but like when people tie like the actual scarves, they know how to like actually tie scarves around. Hold on, cause girl, I do got this one, but I know this one is like freaking huge. But let me just hold on, y'all. We just chilling today. We just planning hair and chilling. So let me play with this real quick. Let me just see if this will give the look I'm kind of talking about. So y'all know how sometimes people take the scarves, and I really don't know how they do it, but I mean, y'all get the gist of it. What I just did is not even how they do it. But yeah, I know they don't do it like this, but you get an idea of what I'm talking about with this. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. You get what I'm talking about though. I'ma just tie it in the back, but they tuck it some type of way too. But I'ma just tie it. But you can even take like designer scarves, girl, and you can do little looks like this. Like, this is also a little look. This is cute too. But of course, you know, you're not gonna have this hanging. It is a way that they do them too, and they do be having these hanging, but they hang like kind of long and they be real cute. But y'all know what I'm talking about. You get the gist of it. You definitely can take your little designer scarves and tie it around too. But yes, y'all, really cute, really cute. You definitely have options. I'm gonna take this off because, child, I'm sweating. I done got hot. This is it. This is the completed look. It's still so many options and room to play around with your perimeter when it comes to styling the actual headband parts. Hope you guys enjoy it, y'all. This was so quick, 10-15 minutes, and you got an actual look. Definitely vacation, last minute, you just don't have time to go get something done. You can always do little DIY hacks like this at home for the low and still have a polished little look going on. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, throw me a comment down below, subscribe if you want to see more DIYs like this. I actually have another one that I'm gonna film as well while I have her hot glue gun. I have one, I just need to order me another one, but I have another one coming up. So if you want to see that one, or if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys on my next one. Bye.